Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is December the 31st, 2020, and today we are going to talk about Chainlink. We're going to give you all the updated price prediction, forecast into the market for this cryptocurrency. But before I do, as always, if you all appreciate our videos and our content, make sure before you go, you hit the like button, share the video, and as well as subscribe to the channel. It might be beneficial for you to hit that bell notification as well. All you have to do is tap it one time and you all will become notified whenever we upload our videos to this particular platform. You don't want to miss out on our price predictions. We're giving you all the heads up as to where the market is anticipated to go. And hopefully you should also learn from the things that we are talking about and showing you so that you can do it yourself. So make sure you hit all those buttons right before you go. So now we are going to talk about Chainlink, and there has been some rumors that Chainlink is going to be the next cryptocurrency that the SEC is going to come after. All you have to do is type in Google Chainlink SEC and you'll start to see some of these articles pop up. After XRP, Chainlink will be the next target by the SEC. Chainlink will face the SEC next after Ripple. Zeus Capital is one of the biggest proponents that is really egging on these particular type of rumors. Zeus Capital. One analyst who called Coinbase XRP delisting says SEC is also investigating other altcoins. So pretty much it is placing a lot of cryptocurrencies on pause. And this is the exception. You guys can see, well, I would say that Chainlink is not the exception. Look at the price. What is going on into the market that Chainlink is doing that Bitcoin and Ethereum is not? Let's take a look real quick, okay? Let's split this chart up real quick. And the top portion is going to be Chainlink, and this bottom portion is Bitcoin. You guys can see it for yourself. What has Chainlink been doing over the last couple of trading days, right? It's just been bouncing. It's just been consolidating. That's it. Bitcoin though, what about Bitcoin? It's been in an uptrend. So is there something that the trap knows about Chainlink that the market does not know yet? Look at Ethereum. What is Ethereum doing? Precisely, it's going higher in price. So we need to pay attention to what's going on into the market in Chainlink. Something is not right. So let me zoom in and talk about our previous forecast into the market in Chainlink. First, we told you back on December the 10th that Chainlink was anticipated to go lower in price. Literally the next day it did go lower. We didn't have our restriction area where it needed to be. Ultimately, the trap found some restriction right here around $14 instead of $13.28. So misplacement of restriction area definitely was had on our forecast on December the 10th, but nevertheless the weakness in Chainlink still appeared. Okay, so hopefully you all were able to capitalize on that movement to the downside in Chainlink on the 11th, which is around 6.22%, or you could have gotten the ultimate TP out around 8.15 on December the 23rd. Okay, so if anything, the only thing that we had wrong on our particular forecast on December the 10th for Chainlink was the fact that we didn't have our restriction area correct. Okay, rather than having it at $13.20, we should have had around 14. So that is done. That is over. Congratulations to those who was able to capitalize on that movement to the downside in Chainlink. We need to speak on where the market is headed now. Now, first question I got for you is, okay, we have this line drawn in our chart. we was tracking the trap. He was laying down footprints on this line, letting us know that the market in Chainlink was in a trend. It was in a uptrend, simply meaning that the market was going higher. Well, what happened over the last week or so? Are we still following that uptrend? The answer is no, we're not. So if the market broke that uptrend, then we need to be under the same mindset that Chainlink is not in an uptrend. No matter how much we want Chainlink to go higher and higher in price, the evidence is telling us that we're not in an uptrend yet. So we're not in an uptrend. There's only two other trends that we can be in. It's either sideways or a downtrend. That's it. So since we got the uptrend out the way, we need to focus our attention on whether or not Chainlink is trading sideways, or are we in the beginning phases of a downtrend. So what we're going to do with this line here into the market in Chainlink, we're simply going to show how the trap has just been trading this market sideways. Okay, I'm gonna bring it up just a tad because actually this is where the market was finding some restriction at. Now you will see some people also show you this. So which one is more prevalent? Which one is showing us the trap is really following? Is he following this horizontal line, or is he following this downtrend line? Let's look at the other time frames to figure it out. So looking at Chainlink on the 3-day time frame, you all can see here that the market in Chainlink definitely is following this downtrend line. It was at one point following this horizontal line, but it's not so more apparent right now. Here on the 5-day time frame, you guys can see that the market in Chainlink, let me zoom in and show you this. Right here was the bullseye of where the market in Chainlink hit restriction on this horizontal line and also on this downtrend line. So we're definitely not in the uptrend right now in Chainlink. On the weekly time frame, we're still showing how the market in Chainlink is still giving us some instances of market weakness. So which of these two lines should we hold? Should it be this horizontal line or the downtrend line? Well, on our forecast, we're going to hold on to the descending trend, the downtrend. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Now, we have garnered an idea that the trap is following this descending line. We're going to continue to play that until he breaks it, i.e. until this market breaks it this way. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this forecast into the market in Chainlink real quick. And we're going to hold some restriction into the market in Chainlink right here towards our restriction line, which is around $12.75. TP would be around $10. Okay, this is about 12.75% market movement to the downside in Chainlink. And this is it. We're in position. We have an expectation of what we want the trap to do. And now we just sit back and let them work. What are you seeing on your chart? Are you seeing something totally different from what we picked out? Because you might. And if so, tell all of our community members, all of our subscribers what you see. Don't give us no confusing jargon though. No technical analysis, none of that. Just simply tell us what direction you see Chainlink going. I will say in the next 20 days, where do you expect the market in Chainlink to be? Higher, lower, sideways? And then tell everyone your TP price. Where would you take the bag? And that's it. Don't make it complicated. We're not here for that. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. Go and trade different.